Hi class, this is a tutorial to show you how to upload and embed images so that you can post them and embed them into your discussion board posts. You will have to do this several times this semester in most of your discussion boards, so it's a skill that you must learn this week by uploading and embedding 5 photos that represent yourself. Now you can do it directly in the reply. Put your cursor inside of the text editor until it's blinking. Select the Embed Image icon. Click on the Canvas tab. The Upload File button will not illuminate until you click on a folder. Click on the folder called My Files. When you click Upload File, find the image that you would like to upload. Wait for it to upload, and select it. Down here you can see the dimensions of this photo are very large. Canvas will resize these images, but if you don't want to take up this much space on the server, you can reduce the image size to something a little more manageable. Anything under 500 pixels is fine. If you hit the Tab button, it'll automatically maintain the aspect ratio, which means that it'll maintain its proportions. If you hit Update, it'll automatically embed the image into the post. If you hit Enter, you can do the same with the next photo. Go back to Canvas, click on My Files, upload a file, select your file, hit Open, wait for it to upload. You can see that this one is 1500 pixels wide. I'm going to hit Update so you can see how large it is. You can always drag this corner down if you want some more room in your text editor. So for this assignment, you can just keep going and uploading and embedding images all the way to the bottom. For future assignments, you will probably only have to upload one image. And if you need to recall an image, you can always just go back to the Canvas tab, click on My Files, and all of the images that you have uploaded will be there for you, so you can use them at another time. If you'd like to upload your images before you're in the discussion board, you can go over here to your account, click on Files, and you can upload your images directly through here by hitting Upload and selecting your images from here. That's all for now. Bye.